Welcome to the Link Summer Camp, supported by Airlink. The Link program ignites the potential of young minds by immersing them in the world of science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, with a special focus on aviation. Each year, Linkers and Linker alumni come together for an enriching experience, blending learning with fun-filled activities. From immersive STEM workshops to honing essential soft skills, every moment is a stepping stone towards a brighter future. Industry professionals are invited to engage with the Linkers to provide first-hand insight and advice to illuminate the Linkers' career paths. At the University of the Witwatersrand, Linkers didn't just observe, they dived headfirst into the captivating world of aeronautics and engineering, getting their hands dirty with experiments that sparked their curiosity. The excitement continued at the Saibono Center, a beacon of inspiration and discovery. Here, Linkers embarked on an unforgettable journey through cutting-edge exhibits and immersive displays, igniting their imagination and passion for STEM. The hands-on learning and excitement continued at Sakigamva, where Linkers explored the theory of flight, built aircraft models, and even took to the virtual skies in the flight simulator. The Linkers also found moments to unwind under the summer sun following their intense learning sessions. This year's guest speaker at the Link Awards was Refilwe Ledwaba, South Africa's first black female helicopter pilot.
Sometimes you've got a path and you've got a plan, A to B, and you set on that plan. Things happen. Obstacles can come across. Things that you have, some of them have no control over. And it's up to you. That mindset shift that I had in Ethiopia of how you look at those challenges, how you reframe, whatever challenge you had. Even though I didn't want to become an air hostess, it was actually the best thing ever. Not only did I travel and see the world, I got introduced to another world that I didn't know about, which was the world of flying.
The Link Awards ceremony is the highlight of the Link program each year. It is an occasion where excellence takes center stage. The event is a celebration of dedication and achievement and is a testament to the boundless potential nurtured within the hearts and minds of the Linkers.
We as the Link, we encourage you to never stop striving to be your best selves. Continue to learn, continue to grow, and continue to make positive impact in your communities. Remember that your younger siblings are looking up to you. Thank you very much.